Hello everyone and welcome to the very first session of MikroTik Canada's Toddler tutorials. To give you a little background, MikroTik Canada as a Toronto-based value-added MikroTik distributor of internet connectivity hardware works to fulfill the various internet needs of current and prospective clients. For comprehensive information about our services and products, you can visit our website at www.mikrotikcanada.ca. The hardware and software developed by MikroTik can offer you a world of features. They can be extensively customized to serve a number of purposes. However, in the very beginning, you might find it a little difficult to set up and configure your MikroTik device. Therefore, we have decided to create very simple and easy to understand educational tutorials to help you out. In this very first video, we are going to take a brief look at the very basics of one of the main applications used to connect to and manage a MikroTik RouterOS. This software is called the WinBox. WinBox is a small utility that allows the administration of MikroTik RouterOS using a fast and simple GUI. To download WinBox, go to MikroTik's official website at www.mikrotik.com and from the menus at the top, click on Software. Here, based on your computer's OS architecture, you can choose either the 32-bit or the 64-bit version of WinBox. We recommend that you save it on your desktop or pin it to your taskbar for quick and easy access. WinBox is an executable file and starts as soon as you click on it. This is what you will see the very first time you run WinBox on your computer. WinBox's main interface is divided into two upper and lower halves. In the upper half, you have various menus and fields for different actions and functions included in this utility. In the lower half, you can find the two tabs of Neighbors and Managed. The Neighbors tab lists all the devices currently active in your network, and the Managed tab shows the devices that you have chosen to configure and use. We will talk about these two tabs in detail in another session. In the top left corner, you can see the architecture and version of your WinBox, as well as the title of your current WinBox session. Also, you have two menus titled File and Tools. Under File, you can see four basic actions, namely New, Open, Save As, and Exit. Needless to say, these four actions let you start a new session, open a previous session, save your current session, or quit the software. Under the Tools menu, you have more specific choices, and we're going to talk about three of them in this tutorial. The first one is Advanced Mode. By switching the View Mode option to Advanced Mode, the upper half of your WinBox interface expands, and you will see more management features in the WinBox application. We will talk about these later. The second action you can see under Tools is the Legacy Mode. The Legacy Mode was added in WinBox version 3.22. This action is disabled by default. The function of the Legacy Mode is to allow you to connect to MikroTik router boards that have RouterOS version 6.42 or older, which are less secure. In case you need to connect to specific MikroTik devices that do not have an updated RouterOS version, use the Legacy Mode. However, you should not use this mode continuously. In terms of security, it is highly recommended that you update your device's RouterOS and firmware to the latest stable or long-term version as soon as you have connected to your device. Once you have completed these updates, you can disable the legacy mode. We will talk about updating RouterOS and firmware in our next tutorial. However, before we finish this session, let's talk about updating WinBox itself. This update can be easily done. Simply go to Tools and click on Check for Updates. In case you are using an older version of WinBox, it will automatically look for and download the latest update. However, if you see the message that says there are no new versions available, this means your WinBox is up to date. Here, you can also see all the changes that have been made to WinBox with each version upgrade. Okay, that wraps up our very first session of MikroTik Canada's Toddler tutorials. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. In case you have any questions or comments, please let us know or get in touch with us on our website. Take care.